My name's Ralph. I'm a rabbit, as you can see. I'm blind in my right eye, and I'm not a space bunny. I'm a tester. My daddy was a tester, my mum, my brothers, my sisters, my kids, all testers, and they all died doing their job. Oh, gotta get to work. Now I know it looks bad. I'd just like to say to everyone out there still buying animal tested cosmetics like eyeliner, shampoo, sunscreen, pretty much, well, without you and countries that allow animal testing, I'd be out of a job. A field, I guess, you know, like a normal rabbit. So all good.